How are you doing today? Today we'll be talking about how you can create your Google profile. Okay, Google business profile. Let's say somebody is looking for your business in your area. How would they be able to look for your business in your area? So I'll be showing you how to go about that right now. This is what Google business simply means. Let's go to our Google Chrome. So right now we are on our Google Chrome. Then we want to search for Khartoum Corridor on Google. Okay, let's search for Khartoum Corridor on Google. So because I'm the owner of the business, I will go incognito and search. You can see Khartoum Corridor over here. This is what we call Google business profile. Okay, Google My Business, Google business profile. People can call it Google My Business, they can call it Google business profile, whichever one. This is Google business profile. So if somebody is in FCT and they are looking for where they can buy fashion accessories, Google will bring out Khartoum Corridor and every other business that is related to fashion accessories that are registered with them. So if you want to create Google My Business profile, you want to make sure you have a stable address for your business. Okay, you should have a stable address for your business. Apart from a stable address, you have your Instagram, you have your Facebook, you have everything. So by the time people will scroll, they will be able to see everything about your business. You can see the website of my business, you can see the LinkedIn of the owner of the business, you can see everything. Okay, and with Google My Business, you will have free websites of your own. Okay, Google My Business will give you a free website of your own. You can see this is the Khartoum Corridor's business site website. Once you create a Google My Business account and you have a profile of your own business on the Google My Business, it will come automatically with a website on its own from Google. And with this, you will not need to have another website on its own. You will not need to go and create a website. With this, you will follow their templates and create your own website yourself. Okay, so if you want to create Google My Business account, you still need to go to Google My Business website. So let's go to Google My Business's website. I'll search for business. I'll say business.google.com. Then I'll search for it. So right now this is the Khartoum Corridor Digital Intellectual Hub's business profile page, but because I want to start from scratch, I will use my other email to do that. So if I want to change my email, I'll just click on this my picture icon, then I'll change my email to another one that I have not been using for business. If you firstly come to business.google.com's website, this is the kind of display it will give to you because you don't have a business account already with them. Okay, so if you want to have your business with them, you will just click on add your business to Google. Then you will start from there. Then it is saying start building your business profile, things like that. Then over here you want to type in your business name. Your business name should be the name, not your name. Your business name, it should be the name of your business, the name you use to register your Instagram, your Facebook. So I want to create a business profile for Aisha Scissors. You remember we created an Instagram page related to that, so I'll say Aisha Scissors. So over here the business name is Aisha Scissors. I usually say something that the best thing is to make sure you have a registered business name of your own before you start using a name, because the name you start using is what people will know you for. And if you don't register that business name and somebody just come up with that kind of business name again and they register it, you will need to change your name later because the name will belong to that person that register. So it is the best to make sure you register your business name before anything. Okay, before anything. So I have written the business name Aisha Scissors. Then the business category, what is the business doing? Remember our business category for Aisha Scissors was fashion and design, right? So maybe there is fashion and design in Google's business category, we don't know. So if we can't find fashion and design, we can simply select textile, anything related to clothing. Okay, so let's say business category, let's click on it. Then we say fashion. Here you can see fashion designer, so click on fashion designer. So if it is not there, if your business category that you type into the business category is not on Google, it will not display anything, so it will not allow you to move until you select a business category that is on Google. We'll click on next. So it is asking me that, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? Yes. Make sure you have an address to your account. Okay, in case you don't have a physical shop, you can say no problem. You can add the address later by editing your business account. But if you have, add it. If you don't have, say no and add it later when you have it. But it is the best to have a physical address for your account, because your customers will be able to locate you physically. In case some of them does not want to buy online, some of them, if they are around you, they can just come and pick up whatever they want to pick up from you. I have so many customers that, because of my address, they have come to my address, my shop address, they have come to buy. They will just use Google Maps and they will locate you, and that is it. So Google can be of help very well. So then click on yes if you have a Google address. If you have a physical address, click on yes. If you don't have, say no. So we don't have for Aisha Scissors right now, we say no. Then we click next. So it is asking me, where do you serve your customers? It's optional, right? But is it at home or in the office, or do you do deliveries? It says add areas where your business provide deliveries, or home and office. This will appear on your business. So is it only in Abuja? Do you deliver to only Abuja or only Lagos? Because anybody from anywhere can locate your business. Don't write anything over here, because anybody from anywhere can locate your product, your business, and you can serve them from anywhere, because we are digital, right? So we can deliver to anywhere. So we don't want to say that we are delivering only to Nigeria or only to Abuja. We don't want to say that, so we'll say next. Then it is saying, what region is your business in? So my business is in Nigeria. I'll select Nigeria. So click on next. Then it is asking for your contact information. So what is your phone number? If you want to type in your phone number, you can put your phone number over here. If you don't want to put your phone number, no problem, but it is the best to have a phone number for your business. So put your phone number here. Okay, then your website URL. If you don't have a website URL, but maybe you have a Vepa account and you want to put your Vepa account URL over here, you can put your Vepa URL over here. Okay, but you cannot put Bitly, you cannot put Linktree. Okay, you can only put Vepa account URL over here, or any website. Maybe you have a website of your own, you can put it here. If you want to direct them to your LinkedIn, to your Instagram, to your Facebook, you can do it here. Okay, but make sure you have a phone number for your business. Then click on done. Click on next. Sometimes they may recommend something that will be beneficial for your business. Then click next. So it says, please enter your mailing address to verify. So now, if you enter your mailing address, simply means somewhere they can send, maybe a post office. You understand mailing address? You know mailing address, right? A post office near you where you can receive a mail. Okay, maybe your house maybe your house is opened, like your house is not in somewhere in a corner where they will not be able to locate easily. So you can type in your address over here. You know that your region is Nigeria already, so your street address, you want to put it here. your local government area, you will put it here, the city, the postal code, then the state. Then once you click next, it will verify. Okay, once you click next, they will send you a code that you will come back to enter, or sometimes they may not even send the code, they may just verify you automatically. Okay, so that is how Google My Business profile works. But for me, I don't want to verify right now because I already have some accounts on Google My Business, so I don't want to verify right now. I'll just say verify later. So that is for my account, right? For Aisha Scissors. Then I can say so. But if you are not verified, I want to make you know something. You need to be verified. You need to put your address on Google for you to be verified. If you are not verified, nobody will be able to locate you, because even if they search from today till tomorrow about your business on Google, they will not be able to find you. Okay, they will not be able to find you. So it is the address that is more important on Google. Okay, so you can use your home address, you can use your office address, you can use a mailing address that you usually receive mail from. You can use anywhere. Just use an address that you know that will be easy to locate, and even if they send a mail to that place, you will be able to receive it. So they say add your services. You are a fashion designer, right? Do you do clothing rental? Do you do alteration? Do you do clothing restyling? So anything that is related to your service is what you will add. So for me, I'll say clothing restyling, custom clothing design, custom wedding gowns, delivery. Do you manage events? No. For me, I don't manage events. I'll say alteration and clothing rental. You can rent wedding clothes out if you're a fashion designer too. If you have something that your business is doing that is not writing over here, you can click on this add custom service. Then click on this add custom service, type it in and click on add. Okay, so for me, I don't want to add a custom service. Then I'll click next. So it is telling me that I should customize the hours my business is working. So do you work 24/7? You can do that. So make sure you don't leave this one closed, because if you say closed, if you don't open, if you leave everything closed, definitely your shop is closed permanently. So you don't want to do that. Then click on next. So it says, are you add messaging? Are you accepting message? So that whenever a customer comes to your Google account, they can just click on message, then they'll be able to send you message. So you can accept messages. Don't click this one, just leave it, let it be accepting messages, so that whenever they send you message, you can receive it. Okay, so click on next. We are almost done. Now, your business description. We have talked about how you can create how you can create content, right? We talk about that. So now over here, I want you to create a business description for your business. I want you to use IDA model. That is your assignment, please. I want you to use IDA model, create a business description for your business, and screenshot it and send it to the assignments group. Use IDA model to create a business description over here. Then when you are done, when you finish typing everything you want to say about your business, before you click next, screenshot what you have written and send it to the assignments group. I want to see it. I want to know how much you understand the content creation details. Okay, how much you understand how to create content. So write a business description. I will help you to correct it in case it's not right. Okay, but make sure you try. If you don't try, you won't, your certificate is being held. Okay, so make sure you do this assignment. You need to create a content for me. Let me see your content. Okay, so click on next when you are done. Then your account will be live. Before your account will be live, you will need to wait for a bit. You will need to wait a bit before your account will be live. Okay, so once your account is live, you'll be able to see that your account has been verified. And how will you know that your account has been verified? So now let's go to Google Maps. Google Maps is where you can manage your Google My Business profile. Before, Google My Business has its own application, but right now it doesn't have it anymore because they have moved all the details of Google My Business to Google Maps. So right now I will go to my Google Maps on you have to download Google Maps on your phone. Okay, so I will go to Google Maps to be able to manage my business because my business has been verified right now. So if you have any problem regarding this lecture, make sure you come to the general support group and ask questions. Okay, so once you click on next right now, your account will be verified as long as you have put your address over there. So now this is Google Maps, right? So I'll click on Google Maps. So if I want to manage my business, I'll just click on my picture over here. Then I'll see your business profile over here. Just click on your business profile. So now you can see all the business I have under my business profile that has been verified. So if I want to manage my business, I can just click on any business I want to manage. Once I click on it, I will be able to see it like this. So if I want to edit my business, I'll just click on edit profile over here. Click on it, edit profile. Then you can see your business information can be edited, the hours you used to work can be edited, the photos, logo and cover photos can be edited. Okay, these three dots up here, if you click on it, you will be able to see those things you can add to your profile. Also you can see you see business profile settings, add label. If you want to add label, if you need help and support, you can come over here, add a photo. If you want to add more photo, you can click on add photo, then you will click on add photo again. So right now I've clicked on the picture I wanted to add, then I'll click on done. You can see that I can add multiple pictures over here. Then you can click on publish. So if you want to add more, it's asking me that photos uploaded. So if you want to add more photo, you can do that. Okay, and if you want to see the photo you uploaded, you can click on see photos. Then you'll be able to see all the photos you have uploaded. Okay, so that is how to register for Google My Business. Make sure you go live and make sure you do your assignments. Go live. Put your home address or your shop address or your office address. Okay, and once you are done with that, it will be verified. But make sure, don't forget to do your assignment. It's very important. Have a nice day and we will meet in another lecture.